Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing some corned beef. Now this is one of my island favorites for breakfast. Some people have it for lunch with a side of rice, but I rather it for breakfast. I usually have it with bakes or breadfruit or whatever the case may be, plantain, whatever you want to, you can have corned beef with. So let's get it started. So I added about a tablespoon of oil. Now the thing is that corned beef already has fat, so the fat is going to turn into oil anyway, so you don't want to add too much oil. And I'm going to start to saute my vegetables. To that I'm gonna add my minced garlic, okay, so it's now translucent. I'm going to start by adding my peppers, green onions, my parsley, and my diced tomatoes. Like always with any Caribbean cooking, we like our food to be colorful. We love our seasonings. We just like to see seasoning. I know I do. Now growing up, my grandmother used to always say that black pepper cuts out the freshness in your food. That's the term she used to use. So black pepper cutting off the freshness, okay? Now this is how it's prepared in my island, Dominica. Now people may have their own variation. If you have any other way that you prepare it, you just put it in the comment box at the bottom. And this is how I like it. Now like I was saying earlier, people eat corned beef with pretty much anything. So in the comment box you guys can put what's your favorite thing to eat corned beef with. Mine is breadfruit. Now, not just any breadfruit, roast breadfruit at that. Nice freshly roasted breadfruit with some corned beef on the side, some cucumber salad. I'm telling you, I can just picture it now. Whew, Lord. Now this corned beef has 20% sodium, so I'm not going to add any salt, at least not yet, until I've tasted it. I'm gonna start adding the corned beef in now. Now you do have to break it down, not too much. And now I'm gonna add my tablespoon of ketchup. I'm gonna cover this up and let it continue to saute for about 3 to 5 minutes.